Dear James, you want to invest your money in the Nigerian stock exchange market by buying different companies' shares, and you don't want to do so via a third party app for whatsoever reason you might have, either for confidential reasons or maybe you just want the confidence that comes with a licensed stock brokerage firm. Here are my top picks, and we will discuss why very soon. Come along with me. This is the performance results for the year. Wow, this is the value they've traded this year. I am not affiliated with any of these companies by any means or way. This video is just for information purposes only. So please do your research. There are minimum requirements I look out for, and having a functional website is part of it. This is Cardinal Stone Securities, and they traded above 8% of all the total shares last year, 2024. These are their legal documents required to open an account with them, and their minimum for opening an account is 1 million naira, either in cash or any assets you might have that want to transfer over to Cardinal Stones. This is Morgan Capital. It's loading. Yes, and they came second total of all the traded shares. They had about 7.7% of all traded shares last year. They actually require a minimum of 500,000 naira to open a brokerage account with the firm. But let's check their legal services. Let's check. A lot of times, they also offer more than just trading shares. APT Securities and Fund traded over 4% of all total shares last year. And it's quite an easy website to navigate. But let's check what are their minimum for trading. They offer a minimum of 10,000 naira initial deposits. Then they require the other legal documents to open the account. From that, it's quite easy going. There are also other fees we will talk about later that every brokerage firm charges. This is Meristem Securities. They came fourth, and they also trade over 4% of all total shares last year. They do more than just stock brokerage, and they also have a dedicated app for trading shares. They call it Mary Trade. Their minimum for opening is 10,000 naira, and it's quite very user friendly, if I'm say so myself. A criteria I also look out for is also ensuring that they have an office very close to where I stay. I have never had any cause to go into the office so far. They have a mail system that is very, very functional, and I send mails and I get response. So that is to watch out for also. And they also require the legal documents. If you are inside or outside Nigeria, you can open an account with any of these companies to open it successfully for you as long as you have the required documents. Stanbic IBTC came 5th on the list and their minimum opening account is 5 million naira. So you have to be very, very serious to partner with them. To open with any company, they all have their minimum requirements. They all also charge fees and they all collect a commission percentage, so it's very small, between 1 to 2%. Once you are buying shares or you are selling shares, your CSCS number and your clearinghouse number will be given to you. The goal is to never be financially stressed.